Hello, this is my running steampunk style Honda cb350. I'll give you a tour around it here. There are a few issues on it, like some electrical issues that should be addressed. It does have push button start, but unfortunately right now it has kind of a dead battery because with these older bikes, this is a 71, and with these older bikes they tend to they have the old school light switch where you actually have to turn on the light yourself. But I can kickstart it. Just got done riding it. The ignition is right down here, right down there, and then you just hot buffer. Turn it on. See if I can kick it. Holding a camera in my hand, so. That was me shutting it off. See, that's all the wood texture that it has. Some kind of hammered metal copper look to some of the parts. Some parts I just can't put any copper on or anything. All the wood texture was done by myself. And on all the pieces there's my signature, so there's no duplicating it. This is one of a kind paint job texture. It actually has feel to it, feels like wood. The suspension was lowered to try and fit my girlfriend on it. It still has some leeway. A little hard whenever you hit bumps, but that's not really a big deal. It is an old school bike, so their suspension kind of sucked anyway. Carburetor probably needs to be cleaned. The lights, they all work, but again, you need a battery to get them all to work properly. It has like an old school type copper fitting on the kickstart, and that's about it. It's got that many miles on it, and that's since I've owned it. That's how many miles I've taken it. So not very far. since I've owned it, and this is my first bike ever. The seat probably needs a little bit more padding underneath. I lowered it so my girlfriend can fit on it, but unfortunately it's still too tall. I need something like a little skinnier or shorter, either one. And this is like faux lamb fur. It's actually pretty comfy once you get used to it. I have like a custom seat pad area right here. Not gonna lie, it's been dumped a few times, but after every single time it's been dumped, I've repaired it and got it running faster and stronger. The whole entire clutch, which is not on that side, the whole entire clutch in here I had to redo, so that's all brand new. On the other side, the clutch push rod, there's a whole new clutch push rod. Shifts perfect. I had to redo all the fuel lines here because it had some issue with that. The issue was I lost the fuel line. Has keyed opening to get to the battery. Really easy. And that's about it. So send me a message if you're interested in it, and I'll get back to you as soon as I will be able to. Thank you.